you went and go get a
Why is
DNA?
you recording me?
Don't worry about that, Mom. Tell me, no. Why did you go get a DNA test on that?
Who? What? What is you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about, Mom?
Down, first of all.
No.
Then I'll talk to you.
No.
Okay,
no,
I will talk to you. Because I've been talking to you.
No. Tell me right
I did it. You know that ain't true. She don't even look like you. She don't look like me. She don't look like your grandmama. Nobody.
I told you to stay out my business in the first place when you were talking about
You my baby boy. And this ain't your baby. This ain't, no.
Listen.
No. Period.
Listen. I was happy with doing...
I'm not going to take it back. I'm not going to say sorry. Because I want my own grandbaby. I'm your child.
I'm not asking
That ain't your child.
I'm not asking you to say
Her mama,
sorry.
that you want me to accept this grandbaby? No. I'm not gonna do this. Get that camera out my face.
I love
Get
now.
that camera out my face.
Mom, why you throwing stuff?
Why are you doing this? This is not even necessary. Because you know what?
This to prove that my mama won't stay out my business.
It's okay. It's okay, because guess
all
what?
All you had to do is mind your business.
Guess what? I did this for us. Both of us. We cool now.
No,
this ain't your baby. I ain't got about Pampers. I ain't got no more pacifiers.
So now you calling my baby.
I'm sorry,
so now you gonna call my baby.
About kids, but they ain't your baby. So stop saying that. Don't play with me. You know what?
Mom, listen.
Give me some water. Give me some water or something. You making my blood pressure go up. I don't understand this. I told you I did this for us. You my only
ain't
son.
No us.
You my only son.
Ain't
You
no
think I'm supposed to have other babies out here that ain't ours?
First off, Mom, I love Nala like she mine.
Keep talking.
I love her like she mine.
Alright, and
That's what I'm
I am
telling you.
the bad mother of the year. So what? They ain't our baby. What you think boy, look, I'm always gonna be in your business. You 22. You think you gonna have Dub Goose up in my house? No, that ain't our baby. I did it.
This is what I deal with.
I did it. So what? It's okay. What you want? You want some breakfast or something?
This is what I deal with.
Cause
I
I'm
don't
only
want no
cooking for
breakfast.
one.
I don't want no breakfast.
I ain't got no grandkids.
I want to know why.
Look at me. I ain't got no grandkids.
I want to know why
I
you
had to make sure.
Listen, can I talk now? Can I talk?
Yes.
Why you couldn't just let good enough be? Like, why you even just had to get in my business?
Son, I love you.
No, you don't. Because if you love me,
I love you.
you
And I
respect
don't
me.
money for a grandbaby. Okay, so I got to make sure. DNA. She said, girl, I got you. I got
So, no, hold up.
I did that because that baby ain't got your nose. That baby ain't got my Chinese eyes. That baby don't look like us.
Box of Pampers and some onesies now. And now you do something.
But I babysit. And you know, I ain't got time for that. Look at me. Look at me. Boy, bad. Okay. I done missed 3 days.
So you messed my life up because you don't want to be a grandma.
2 days out of grown
So you telling the world that you messed my life up because you don't want to be a grandma?
I want to be a grandmama. Just give me about 3, 4, 7 more years. And don't give it, I don't want no grandbaby.
So,
okay, not over here. Not over here. Get out my face with that.
I'm not, you deal with
Get out my face with that camera,
you did
boy.
what you want to do.
You get out.
You did what you want to do. I'm doing what I want to do.
Okay. I'm going to make it brick this month around with me.
I don't care
Get out
nothing
my
about
face.
that. I don't care
Okay?
nothing about that.
We ain't got no grandbabies. I can go out. I can probably help that baby out there. Yeah. He don't pay the insurance.
Now, why you put my... See, that's your problem. You always put my...
Yes, and everybody
That's
knows.
the problem.
Your auntie Lisa said, girl, yeah, get that DNA test. Your auntie Patty said, you better. Okay? Don't play with me.
They wouldn't have never known if you ain't been telling them my business. That's no problem. You telling Patty, Aunt Patty, and all of my motherfucking business.
You're my only son.
You ain't gonna have no son when I...
breakfast, because I cook it.
How do you unmama some...
That you don't cook. You want me to cook for babies. You, that baby mama. They don't be no more either. Because, watch.
You
She can't come over here.
You
I
sad.
bet you she can't come over
You
here.
sad, and I see why my dad ain't with you.
You know what?
You sad, and I see why he ain't with you. How about
See
that?
these knives over here, too. You see, don't play with me.
I see why dad ain't with you.
Why your daddy ain't with me?
Yeah.
Your daddy ain't, okay? Your daddy might not even be your daddy, okay? He's
You know what I'm
lucky to be
saying?
with me.
You know what I'm saying?
Stop.
Why you ain't go get a DNA test?
You know what?
be in my business. Okay?
I don't want to hear none of that. Because I'm always going to be in your business.
Listen.
I'm your mother.
Listen.
I'm your mama. I'm not going to be. No. I knew that girl was sneaky out here. You know her name floating these streets.
Ain't no.
Boy, you better not play with me. You better be out here behaving.
Confused.
No, I'm not confused. We have a good family. I raised a good child. I know babies better know.
I'm gonna be honest with you. You crazy, so how you raise a good child?
I'm crazy, but I'm a good crazy, okay? I got your... Look, you didn't graduate. You got that route, like I said. Last thing I need to do is get you... And your time is going to be limited if you don't turn this girl off and stop recording me. And you're going to apologize.
No.
You're going to rub my tonight. All of that.
Ma, ain't nobody rubbing your feet.
Yeah, okay.
Don't tell me I'm gonna bring my child.
This is my house.
I don't care. Listen, I be here.
Okay.
I be here.
Let my door. I will tell her, get out. You and your baby. That's not our baby. That's not our blood. Don't look.
Wow. I believe that she is definitely childish. Her mindset is she throw. And the guy, listen, bro, you're 22 years old. You shouldn't technically be bringing anybody into your mom's house. Get your own spot. Fellas, get your own spot, man. Before you start to do stuff like this, man, get your own place, save up. You might have to work 2 jobs or whatever, but get your own place so you can have your own privacy because you want to avoid things like this happening, all right? Becoming that son husband, because that's what she's treating him like. You get no respect, you get no privacy, and honestly, bro, you can't blame nobody but yourself for getting yourself in this type of situation. He honestly needs to grow up, move out of that house, because that's the only way that this guy's going to get any privacy, any peace, or any respect. But while you're up under her roof, man, you're just going to have to deal with this. It is what it is. Like, her roof, her rules. Only way you're going to change that is if you get your own place, your own privacy. She going to continue to do this. She going to continue to put your business out in the streets. She going to continue to do whatever it is that she's doing. And I promise you, if you stay there, she's going to continue to run and ruin your life. And gentlemen, listen, you can't blame anybody but yourself if you're in this type of situation. Because if you don't want to be in this situation, all you got to do is pick up an extra job or find a better job and work more hours. That's the solution. And then when it comes to, the DNA test situation, all right, so you found out the baby isn't yours. If you choose to stay in that child's life, cool. If your mom does not respect that, it is what it is. Like, you cannot you cannot tell anybody that they need to accept it. You're a grown man, so you need to act like it. If you want to continue to be in that child's life and take on that role as being the father of that child, then cool. That's all on you, bro. Do what you do. And hopefully, the young lady that you are with or potentially can be with, hopefully that young lady is going to keep that thing to herself, because it is unfortunate that you thought that was your child, but it's not your child, which means she was sleeping around with somebody else during the time that she got pregnant, which I don't think that is a good look at all. But hey, but yeah, man, you done got yourself into a tough situation. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this situation, man? It's a lot to unpack, but I would love to hear from y'all and y'all opinion on stuff like this, all right? But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get on up out of here, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.